In order to meet customer and market expectation, designers need to deliver products with higher quality, innovative features, and best-in-class performance faster than ever. Simulia's structural designer role provides designers with the tools they need for an efficient product development process and can then get performance metrics on their products in a very intuitive environment for making informed decisions. With this role, designers can quickly evaluate the strength and stiffness of a product during design, assess the natural frequencies of a design to avoid excessive vibrations, compare ideas efficiently for informed what-if design studies, get the full benefits of integrated design simulation with a unique guided workflow for fast adoption, avoid overheating behavior early in the process, and take advantage of automatic meshing to allow more time for design tasks. Above all, Structural Designer provides all the benefits of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform for a unique product design journey, such as seamless collaboration with other engineers and other departments, and the ability to widely share KPIs and targets on dashboards with stakeholders throughout the design process. With Simulia's Structural Designer role, users get the design simulation solution they need to design the best products.